Hey Nancy, how are you? Never in my life would I ever think that this would be happening. I want to show you some really interesting stuff as I've just been sitting here this Saturday jacking with this like a mofo. These are all the different attempts that that I've tried. All right. So let me say this again. Just like in Sensei, which is freely available over here on the old getters, the hubs and the gets. Okay. I think that's what the ninjas use for onboarding. Okay, so let's look at this right here. This is a jetpack, okay, from the pack of the jets. XADZ, WooCommerce, SEO, top level menu items, right? We've got it uploaded. That old boy is ugly. Top level, yeah, that one. I hate the fact you gotta unclick it. All right. So that is this one right here. No. Yes. WooCommerce SEO. Yes. Right. Okay. So that is this video right here. Direct from the lamp. Right here. Direct from the lamp. Got on a gray shirt. Okay. And so let's run over here and let's say edit the lesson, right? Now, this is really simple. This is what they give you, right? And it doesn't matter if you're using Lifter or Sensei. Either way. Paste the URL for a Wistia, Vimeo, YouTube, or a hosted file. For a full list of supported providers, look at the old WordPress embeds, right? And of course, VideoPress, Blip, Dailymotion, YouTube, blah, 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 blah. That's all in there. Okay, so somebody goes over and says, hey, you know what? Give me a premium pack of jets, right? Because they've got unlimited videos, and I want the premium packs of the jet. So you sign up for it. And you say, okay, I've got all these MPs and the 4s, right? You got all these videos. All I need is for them to simply go in there correctly without, looking consistently with the default behavior of that's going to be what, 400? Let's. Oh, there it is. Hey, there it is. Hey, there it is. Hey, there it is. Video ID. All right. iframe, width 400, height 224, source videopress.com, embed video ID. HD is 1, loop is no, autoplay is no, permalink equals 1. Awesome, right? Incredible, fascinating, mesmerizing, captivating, invigorating. Okay, so that's what we don't want. So I started going over here and jacking around with adding different parameters on here, as seen with all kinds of fun stuff right here. What was the video itself? The video itself was 1280 by 720. Okay. $12.80 and let's say 7 with a 2 and a 0. That makes a 720, right? Absolutely. So let's just look at this URL right here, and let's jack with this just to see what could possibly happen. Okay, let's drop that bad boy in there. Let's let the old page refresh there. Okay, all right, and let's check this puppy out. Let's just see what it looks like. Oh my goodness.
All right, so this next part right here, I want you to make sure that we're all looking.
What the heck? That guy is still ugly.
Very, very carefully.
But now he's ugly with a WooCommerce shirt, a beard, and glasses. All right. Despite those incredible dad bod looks, let's go back in here and look at this. What just happened? Hold on. Hold on. We added, just for experimental sake, we added and question mark width equals quotation marks 1200 and height equals 720. Now, this is the part that I find incredibly interesting as well. We now have media.js container, right? Width equals 640, class WP video. What the flagnog? Yeah. I specifically chose Jetpack instead of Vimeo. Instead of... God dang it. So this is now cranking out something that is 640. And, hold on kids, but wait, there's more. You don't even need the dad bod glasses on. I just zoomed in a butt ton. But what's that video ID right there? XADZ, correct? All right. So let's zoom this puppy back out to where it's supposed to be. What is this video right here? Where'd it go? Can anybody see the video ID? That cracks me up. Here we go. Videos.files.wordpress. The business end of things. The .com, right? Okay. 1B, is that a LB, 1B, LZ, or Z for all of you northern folks? 3 CPU redirects HD, MP4, blah, blah, blah. What in the name of Hill of Sam? That is... Brad goes to Canada. Shibby. There's the kids. Shooby-dooby-doo. Hey, there's that juiced fella. You know, that juiced guy. Oh, here we go. What in the world? That's the freaking redirects. That's the redirects video. How in the Hill of Sam, son of a motherless chicken's dog's cousin's third uncle's second goat? How the hell?
All right, so this next part right here, I want you to make sure that we're all looking at this. And
this was the video where I go over HTTP, HTTPS, with the W's, without a W, blah, blah, blah. I'm not digging into freaking Jetpack and trying to figure out what script you guys are running over on WordPress.com. to make the video. I mean, what the crappers is going on here? Now, okay, so and don't forget, I'm just sitting chilling at home. You know, everybody else is gone. I should have already mowed by now, but I want you to watch something, okay? Because you know, on the videos and the presses, right? You can add a question mark, and start doing, you know, different stuff with those parameters. Just like whenever you go do the what was, bless their heart. Oh, where the other ones go? I forgot. You know, the other 3 responses that have come in so far. Try the video code with width equals. Okay, that doesn't work. But watch this right here. I'm going to take and height equals quote 720 off of there. But wait, watch what else I'm going to do. I'm going to take the quote off of 1280 as well. Okay. I'm going to copy this URL just for the heck of it. So all we need to do is show folks that your top level menu in WooCommerce needs to not be the word shop. Okay, so we're going for this video right here. All right. So there it is. We've already put it in there. Now, notice very carefully, because I am so not getting into automatic jetpack video. How do you want to do the video? Let's post something in the, oh Lord help us, in the track and all this hoopla. Just somebody freaking make it work. Let's see what this thing did, right? Don't forget, and with a question mark, with the word width spelled out, not W, and no quotes. It used to be No Shave November, and I ran out of contacts, right? So that's the video right here. I mean, it's got an ID, but let's just say for the sake of ease, that was No Shave November, and that's Brad ran out of contacts. You ready? Wait. Just so we're clear, we didn't change anything over here, okay? All we did was remove the quotes and the height element. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Slap my fanny and call me Bertha.
All right, so let's go to the computer here. I want to show you. But you see how that matters? I mean, that's just one.
So now we're at a whole different stinking video. That old boy is still ugly as hell, isn't he? But look, we're at a whole different video now. How in the dickens did we get a whole different video? It's the same URL, same URL ID, same video ID. It's the same base URL from I mean, nut to butt, front to back, left to right, forward to backward. It's the same stinking URL. All we did was take away the quotation marks. Okay. All right. So what happens if I just take away the word width? And let's run with, you know how over on the short code thing it says, you know, just add a W. Just got to add a W, right? Just add a W. That doesn't do jack squat. Okay. What happens if we take the whole thing off? Okay. It's going to go back to the same thing. All right. So what happens? And again, you guys have total unfettered access to you know, Sensei, which I'm not going to say anything, but you know, I'm just saying Lifter LMS might be a little bit similar to Sensei. All right. The only problem is Dan and his team over at Sensei have a little issues with memberships and WooCommerce subscriptions. So you know, I'm going to run with Lifter LMS. But again, this whole video embed URL, or can you put a short code in there? No. No. All right, so let's see what happens if we do put a shortcode in here. All right, let's try this puppy right here. All right, so there's the old video press coded of the shorts, right? Double check, triple check, okay, we're good. We got the video press URL in there. Let's reload. O to the M with a G. It's Mr. No Shave November. And oh my gosh, I ran out of glasses again. Plus, we have this beautiful little quotation mark and a bracket, closing bracket. Just thought, you know, these guys just said, hey, I think I'll just stick around here. Why not? You know, kind of bored, nothing to do on Sunday. I think I'll just chill. No. I don't understand. Everybody's got Wistia, Vimeo. Jetpack wants to piss away a butt ton of money it could be making by making a... by just simply making Jesus. It's supposed to just work. And did, hold on. Let's be clear. Something ain't right here. Did anybody notice I just changed the whole video ID period? That's not it. What is, I'm going to push enter anyways, just because I feel like it. Video shortcode in WordPress. Nope, nope, nope. There it is. No. All right, so over on GitHub, they've already mentioned a couple of times, hey, this is not current. But that's okay, we love you. Oh, by the way, what did that make? Hey, Mr. No Shave November. Don't have any more glasses. Still sitting there.
And then put the new one right here.
Right there. Oh, got a bald spot going too there, Brad. Oh, Lord. Okay. I mean, I'm serious when I say I've just been jacking around with this as much as possible. Let's say this one. Yeah, let's say this one right here. That video ID is what again? Stop it. All right. So we've got our code, which is now short, because we like codes that are short. Just gonna click the old update button there. Okay. Make sure that stayed in there. Video ID width equals 640, height 6. True, whatever, I don't care. Refresh that bald spot, buddy.
All right, so this next part right here.
Nope. Like, is it stuck? Well, maybe it's stuck in cache. Okay, let's do a hard refresh.
All right, so
let's do another hard refresh.
All right, so this next part.
No. What the hell? Yeah, so I just went through there and made sure I purged everything. That's pretty incredible that even cash off, nothing. I mean, absolutely nothing. That video is XADZ, right? How in the world does putting that... That's stupid. That does not make a lick of damn sense. XADZ. Oh, and Nancy, remember whenever you asked what happens when I put it up there? Watch this. This is some really fun stuff here. We're also going to look at what pages most WooCommerce store owners load into their menu. Right? So there's that video. Oddly enough, U0PKXADZ. U0PKXADZ. Right? Seriously, tell me that is just incredible. And you go there and you ask the guys on the theme, they're like, I don't know. And you know, I'm half tempted to believe them because even when you know, I mean, this is just a raw MP4, right? If you take just the raw MP4 straight from yeah, if you take just the raw MP4 from, from WordPress.com, and you just say, okay, look, you know, I'm just going to drop this in there exactly the way it says. Okay. So let's click refresh. I mean, update. So that's now in there, right? Okay. Caching, database, Redis, everything possible is clear. So there's the video at the embed video spot, right? Which is right here. And this right here is this one down here. So let's just go ahead and get rid of this one right here. Okay. And let's reload this just so we only have one instance, just so there's only one there. Just so we can be clear, very clear, crystal clear, absolutely clear.
All right, so let's go to
So there's the top level menu video again. Now, no matter what you do, if you try to append that with and question mark, just like you would, you know, kind of attempt to do with question mark, and you know, whatever it is you want to do. Let's try this one right here. Watch and see what happens here. You get a link.
Alright.
And of course it's the correct link. But we paste the URL for a video. Okay, so let's change this to, should have a V in it, right? Of course, you guys know that. You're geniuses. You guys already knew that. And gals. Nancy included. Maybe Nancy's a guy. I don't know. That didn't work. Because let's remember, this right here is the actual video. Crap. Right? So that's the actual video URL right there. Okay, if it said, hey, just paste in a video press video or something like that, you know, that's what you would put in there. You drop that puppy in there, and you say, hey, I like fresh pages. Let's refresh that page. Am I missing something here? No. Now what happens? Now we got a link. Okay. Wow. Let's try the URL. What does that do again? Well, remember that right there cranks out the video, and no matter what you do, it says, oh, that's obviously a video press embed. It's in the video wrapper, center video. Gives it an iframe with a set width, and here, listen, here's the fun part. What's this div? 780. So let's say this is 780, whatever. Look at that. How tall do we want to make the dad bod? Let's say 500, whatever. And that part right there works fine, but you saw what it was before, right? It's now an iframe with a width 785 and 500, which is, you know, totally fine. And it goes back for whatever reason. Why? Because something in the, you know, in that whole video press, whatever. All
right, so let's go to the computer here.
So now we have the right video, XADZ. And what we did there was what? We put that, just the URL. And if we try to append the URL, like you would, now don't forget this is the raw from WordPress.com. Okay, that was the raw video MP4 file. So we just dropped in there. Now, if we try to append that URL, I have tried, just like you would with a video press one, right? So I've said, okay, question mark and H, question mark and height, question mark and just a question mark, H or height or quotes. You know, what's crazy is like every stinking one of these does something quirky. I mean, let's put WP video. Remember this X80Z. Let's say ads equals dad bod. Okay? Just so it's easy to remember. Let's update this and watch what happens. So now we've got the correct one.
All right, so let's go to the computer.
The dude's still funny looking as hell. He's got big ears. But, you know, if you put it in the body, Well, it does tend to want to work out and play nicely. It's the second that you say, okay, look, I'm going to put I need to put the URL in there, just like it's the whole O embed of a video press, I think, somewhere. I don't know. It's like way too far down the rabbit hole of coding.
All right, so let's go to the computer here. I want to show you the top level. And but there are other stores that are open that aren't on showcase.
Ghost bed. Hey, we took those down to Hurricane Harvey. All right. What is it going to take to get this to work? Please, God. Hundreds of videos. Bought jetpack. I don't know.